Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda CRV alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery's negative terminal. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a set of wrenches, sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work to prevent burns and ensure a safe working environment. This preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement. Now let's get that old alternator out. Begin by locating the serpentine belt tensioner. Loosen it to remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power cable attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator's mounting bolts. You might need to wiggle it a bit to free it from its position. Take your time with each step. With the old one out, it's time for the new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into place and secure it with its mounting bolts. Make sure they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, reconnect the main power cable and all the smaller electrical connectors. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's properly routed and has the correct tension for optimal performance. You're almost done. Reconnect the battery's negative terminal securely. Now start your engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging voltage. It should be around 14 volts. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your alternator. For more great deals, including smart speakers to bring your space to life, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.